In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find leads in Apollo.io. The process is straightforward and can greatly improve your lead generation efforts. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser. This is where everything will happen. Once it's open, type Apollo.io into the address bar and press Enter. When the results appear, click on the Apollo.io website and log in to your account. After logging in, you'll gain access to one of Apollo's most powerful features, the search functionality. This tool is essential for finding accurate and high-quality leads and is your starting point for effective prospecting. To narrow down your search and target the most relevant leads, use Apollo's built-in filters. These include industry, job title, company size, location, keywords, email status, and even the date the contact information was last refreshed. Applying these filters helps eliminate unnecessary data and saves you valuable time. Here's a helpful tip. If you frequently use the same search criteria, you can save them as personas. This allows you to reuse your preferred filters instantly without starting from scratch, making your lead generation process faster and more consistent over time. Once you've identified your ideal leads, it's important to stay organized. You can do this by creating targeted lists based on personas or specific campaigns. Lists make it easier to manage contacts and run focused outreach strategies. After creating your lists, select the leads that match your criteria and add them accordingly. This structured approach helps you track prospects efficiently and simplifies follow-ups and communication. When you're ready to take action, Apollo.io also lets you download your lead lists. You can customize the export columns to include essential details such as names, job titles, emails, and company information, giving you everything you need for outreach in one place. Additionally, Apollo offers a browser extension that works while you're browsing LinkedIn or company websites. This extension allows you to save leads instantly, helping you continuously build and update your lists even outside the Apollo platform. And that's it, a complete guide to finding leads in Apollo.io. Use these steps to optimize your lead generation process and improve your outreach results. Happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next one.